Hola Mi Bitches, 'tis I, Chlois, aka Manny Bish, over on Instagram, and today we are unboxing a Maniology Manny X Me subscription box. So, I cut the tape open. I have not opened this yet. I'm doing it with you guys. So, this month's theme, was like, I don't know if it was like enchantment situation. It was fairies, okay? Fairies. That's part of the stuff. The colors are Lace Wig, which is the green shimmer, and Fae, which is a cream pink, like the color that card is. And also, Maniology does now have merch. So and they're honestly so cute. I really want one of the sweatshirts that they have. You should go on there and check that out. They have a bunch of different t-shirts, sweatshirts, bags, coffee cups even. So, yeah. And then you get the bonus item in this month's sub bag was this little plate holder organizer guy. I have one of these, and now I have another one, which is really good because I actually do have a lot of plates. And honestly, I did think about skipping this month's subscription because I did skip March subscription. But then I was like, actually, seeing that this little guy came in the box was a big reason why I kept the box. So, I was like, it just $25 versus $15 alone for the little book thing just makes more sense. So I can get plates and more polish and build up that collection kind of situation, I thought, why not? So went ahead and kept it. So you get the little fairy book organizer. You get 2 polishes, and of course we already said the names of those. So it's Lace Wig and Fae. So you get this cream flat pink color, this little sticker guy, Shape Up, love that. This flat cream pink color, like a dusty rosy mauve kind of color, and this shimmery metallic green color. And then you get 2 plates, and these plates again are fairy themed. And so we have the fairies and some like forestry-ness and such on this guy. And it was this that I was just like, I don't know what I would do with these plates necessarily with this month's theme. Like, I just didn't know. But it does like give me out of my comfort zone and stuff. And I actually did really, after starting messing with these, I was like, oh, this would actually be cute little Manny. And then on this plate you get like their houses and stuff, like mushrooms and in the leaves and whatever, still with the like forest stuff. And then you get a couple of fairies on flowers and plants. So these are the 2 plates that you get. And this you can still order this until the end of April. So if you order until the end of April, you'll still get this one for the April box. Discount codes do not work on subscription boxes, but if you go and want to purchase anything else from there, Chlois will save you 10%. And I'm just speedily going through this because this Manny did not go as planned. It's showing you that it took me until like 45 minutes in to stamping that I finally got the swing of stamping for this Manny. So on my nails, I have Sassy French Pink from Sparkle & Co. And then I have on a shimmer, like, glitter situation that had some butterflies in it. It was just the wrong base for this stamping situation because, of course, I wanted to use the dip, or not the dip, the stamping polish colors that came in the kit, so Lace Wig and Fae. And the Sassy French Pink was just too close of a background to go with Fae, and it just did, like, 100% just did not go. So this is all you guys get for this video. I'm just stopping it at the stamping. We're not doing the full-on Manny situation. So It was just a little unboxing and a little trial of the stamping situation, so you could see that I actually did use it, but it just didn't come out good because of the background color. So, yeah. Maybe I'll try again with a better background color. So, yeah. This is my Manny. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, bitches!